What went clack?
Something that went.
This changes a lot of my plans. Do any of you three want to buy a 99 Corvette that looks like a Jeep? Alright, so here's the deal. We made a last minute decision to take the Jeep to Ice Cream Cruise. I was able to secure a roll racing ticket. It's not going to be an easy feat to make this happen. We have arrived. We're here to make boom boom sauce with the Jeep. We're gonna find out how that goes. Oh, there's an aerial atom on the dyno. Yes!
Is that good?
I think it's tight.
Looks funky. What? You didn't hear that? No.
What just happened?
We just went clackety clackety clack clack.
What went clack?
Something that went.
Motor? Might have been. How's it going, man? All right, how are you? Good, how can I help you?
I'm here. Meet up express.
Oh, God.
Oh, thank you. Oh!
Yeah,
That noise. What is...
Why does your light stay on if I have it powered off?
I don't know. It fades away eventually. What,
Literally everything was the same. I just cleaned up the fuel a little bit more and gave it 1 degree.
yeah. What noise is that?
That sounds rotational.
Yeah, I would agree.
Sounds very rotational. Brent, what do you think? That sounded rotational, doesn't it?
Brent, come listen to all my hard work and dreams just crumble in seconds.
Let me just double check the blood pressure real quick. It sucks, 70 pounds of oil pressure, but really cold. And it didn't make the noise until...
This changes a lot of my plans. Do any of you three want to buy a 99 Corvette that looks like a Jeep?
Even everything's in my pocket.
Mina pulls that crap, I'm not falling for it.
Could be a good deal.
It could be, but I know it's not. I'll bet you money it's not. I'll bet you what's in my pocket that it's a bad deal.
Not lost everything.
All I did was check a spark plug.
Literally lost. It's got the fuel map here, but that's it. That's why it's not starting now, yeah.
Okay, that's cool. I'm not trying to jump to conclusions yet, but I'm a firm believer that God lets things happen for a reason.
I'm a firm believer.
I don't know what this reason would be.
Because this thing's a death trap.
Jamie, let's start over. What's in your pocket? And then we'll negotiate from there. Brent, what's in your pocket? What if we combine pockets for the purchase of a lifetime?
It didn't change with the pedal.
Yeah, it was blistered.
This side, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just crank it or start it?
You start it. I thought I heard it towards the end. I think everything in the head is upgraded.
So they're like the true Leon rock
Yeah.
and everything.
Yeah.
Grab your 8. Let's just hit the rockers. Make sure they're all tight. You catching that story behind that?
I haven't caught the story, but I gather that there is one.
Gather that there's a story.
Yeah.
Okay, so none of those backed out.
Yeah. Riddle me that, Jameson. Okay. What's got going on here? We heard a noise, so we took the valve covers off, and the noise went away with the valve covers. So now we are reinstalling the valve covers. Clutch. Here.
What was it?
422.
That was still just cleaning up the fuel and stuff
Yeah.
in the middle. I kind of had to restart because
Right.
the tune freaked out.
Are we... We're hitting wastegate, yeah?
Yeah, it's just wastegate pressure. It's like that was
Should have put a bigger spring in it.
120 kPa. 5 pounds.
5?
5 pounds. Yep. Yeah, the first one it made more just because the timing was so far back. The second one was 5 pounds also.
So you think that's probably what's in it?
Yeah. It might be like a 8-9 pound spring, but up here it's only going to make 5. But going to Nebraska, it'll make a little more. It'll make a couple more because the elevation difference. Oil pressure was 58 at the end, highest 62. I mean, with the noises we've heard and everything, I don't really want to turn it up much more until you rip it a little bit. The vacuum T, because where's your source come from to the gate? Does it come from the intake manifold or the turbo? Turbo, so we just put a small T in it.
Yeah. You...
Well, no, we could turn it up here if you want.
I mean, I feel like 400...
What do you want? Like, what were you hoping?
I was hoping for 5.
Okay.
But
Like, it has made some weird noises.
Yeah. But I don't think all this was worth doing for 400. In the
So
same
you want to make 5?
kind of.
Okay. We can do that.
I already thought everything I worked for was destroyed. Like, so if it does destroy itself, aside from your safety, I don't really care.
Well, then I'm probably gonna go grab my
Helmet?
helmet
I love that idea.
and maybe at least my single layer.
I like
That's kind of how I feel sitting in it right
That's
now.
what I wanted for you, but I didn't
Yeah.
want to be the one to say it.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go out to my camper and grab that
Okay,
stuff.
I like that idea a lot more.
So
You're gonna look.
I will feel comfortable. I'll feel more comfortable.
You're gonna look so much cooler too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll feel more comfortable doing this.
Okay. Deal. Actually, I'm your first. This is the less sketchy thing we've brought you to. Maybe not. That's true too. All right, what'd you do, sir? You added a T.
All right, yes, we added a T, which is going to allow it to bleed off, give us a couple more pounds of boost.
Hoorah!
Yeah, buddy.
Seems logical after all the issues we've had, right? That was the conclusion.
Yeah, it's holding on. We got vacuum T in.
We got vacuum tea in. You ready to put that helmet to use? I'm both proud and embarrassed that this is what it's come to. I would finish bringing that up your body. I don't know what good the pant. Okay, I was gonna say I don't. Oh, I was gonna say I don't know what the pants are gonna do for you, man. I'm more concerned about your top half.
Yeah.
I'm more worried about the bottom half, but
I don't use my bottom half, so.
never used these tools for dyno tuning before.
Yes.
621.
No, that was a decent guess though. 580.
It made 12 and a half.
That was on 12 and a half pounds.
As long as your map sensor's correct.
Oh my gosh. You know what's crazy too is there's a bolt where the map sensor is supposed to go.
Within 3%.
I don't know what that means.
The fuel correction.
Okay. Everything looks kosher.
Yep. And then I set the rev limiter at 7 or 71, and I pulled it to 69.70 just so I didn't like hit the limiter.
Okay.
But like you see, the air fuel's nice and flat across here. And I mean, we're real soft on the timing. You know, we're like 15 degrees out there once we get up into that boost.
That's all Chinese to me still, friend. I don't speak any of that,
I
but
don't speak Toonie.
I trust you.
What you want? You want more?
I don't know. I kind of like where it's at.
All right. Yeah, everything looks great, dude.
What a roller coaster of emotions.
It was. And we were like 52 pounds of oil pressure at the end. Comes
Okay.
up to like 58, and then it kind of falls to 52. Are you gonna do something breather-wise?
Yes.
Okay. Do something breather-wise. Maybe run a little more oil in it.
Okay.
1 mile an hour is that going?
91. That one was 91 mile an hour.
That's second gear
Second gear is 91 mile an hour.
on these tires.
Oh my gosh.
Those pulls are in second.
Oh my gosh.
Tires are huge.
I'm surprised the tires stuck. Really shocked I'm this happy. I definitely thought that.
I thought we were done already.
I thought we were done earlier. When that was on 12 pounds?
12 and a half.
I think the bug made 520 on 17. Notice the diesel smoke went away too.
Yep.
So
Well,
that's,
it was the whole motor was just, it had been running so rich before.
yeah.
But it was just chugging.
All right, 580, drove on the trailer. All the weird noises went away. That's the success. I was pretty much ready to throw in the towel on everything that we have planned because I was going to be so sad because 4 years of work just went poof, but it magically fixed itself. So we have a stupendous amount of work left to do on this. We have to build a cage. We got to get wheels and tires. We got to put a windshield in this. E-brake cable is that guy right there. There's no e-brake. I want to add that. Mount the fuel cell down. I would like to add the cover that I have under there. We just got to notch it for the fuel fittings that we've now added. We have a lot of work to do. We are running out of money. We are trying to make all this work with what we have. If you guys have ever wanted to support us by buying a shirt or gloves or getting on our Patreon now, I cannot express how important right now is. Desperately running out of time and resources. We're gonna try and get back to the shop before the rain hits for obvious reasons. We freaking did it. Spoke to you soon. It's raining. That's why you're still here. So I'm taping the turbo. You can leave though if you want, because this is all I'm doing. Oh, it's really raining. This was not on the radar, you liars. I want to be a weatherman. Oh yeah, it might rain today, it might not. Tune in tomorrow to see if I guess wrong again. Yeah, tomorrow it's gonna snow. Unless it doesn't. Let me know what you think. Comment down below in the forecast. 'Cause I'm a liar. Okay, gosh darn it. Okay, we out.